And now we
infrastructure
will
software.
proceed into the context-setting presentations to set the stage for our very first panel discussion. It is my pleasure to invite our first speaker, Mr. Ark Boon, CEO of Urban Sembcorp Industries, to deliver his presentation. Let's welcome him.
Thank you, Alan. His Excellency Dato' Badru, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning. For friends from outside of Singapore, welcome to Singapore. First, let me start off by thanking the wonderful team at Infrastructure Asia for organizing the yesterday and a wonderful series of workshops over yesterday and today. Also, thank you for Dr. Badru and Mr. Wong for actually already setting the context for all of us in our discussions later on. Asia, as we know, has been the engine of global industrial growth and has created good jobs and raised standards for many people all over the world and in particular in Asia. But this growth has also come at a cost of rising emissions and thus climate risks. Today, our industrial sector accounts for nearly a third of all global emissions. In Asia alone, our industrial emissions have more than doubled in just 2 decades. The global landscape is also shifting fast. I think all of us are aware that the goalposts for ESG and net zero targets have shifted dramatically over the last 10 months, and unfortunately, all in the wrong direction. Nevertheless, at Sembcorp, we remain committed to the global sustainability transition at both the utilities and urban development fronts. Over the last 30 years, Sembcorp, we have built a strong and growing presence across Asia in sustainable large-scale urban development. Through our 24 parks in the region, we have had the opportunity to partner our tenants for their sustainability needs. Indeed, our parks serve as strategic platforms for us to scale integrated and sustainable urban solutions. So, what are we doing? First, at Sembcorp, we are investing in and building the capability to integrate clean energy solutions within our parks, such as solar and energy storage. And where feasible, we are also offering our tenants access to off-site renewable sources through power purchase agreements. This, we think, is a critical step in helping our tenants decarbonize their operations. Second, we also invest in shared green infrastructure. These include more efficient water and waste treatment facilities, as well as green ready-built industrial spaces. These green facilities not only reduce the upfront costs for our tenants, but also accelerate their time to market while supporting their ESG goals. Third, we are also advancing circularity within our parks. And this includes initiatives like wastewater reuse, industrial symbiosis, and the use of green construction materials to create closed-loop systems that minimize waste and optimize resource efficiency. To tie it all together, we have also developed a digital unified ESG platform, which we call Go Net Zero. This digital tool enables our tenants to track their emissions, manage renewable energy certificates, and report on sustainability performance with transparency and confidence. Together, these elements form the initial foundation of our approach, designing and incorporating sustainability into the DNA of our industrial ecosystems. Today, we are still in the early stages, and hence there's a lack of common references or standards when it comes to defining what is a sustainable industrial park. Hence, while Sembcorp, we are working with UNIDO and IFC, we have also decided to come up with our own reference model and action plan, whilst the global standards are evolving. Our focus is to translate our sustainability ambitions into a structured, scalable approach anchored on 6 themes and driven by 6 enablers. Among our enablers, we aim to align tenants' commitments through green lease frameworks and unlock capital through sustainable financing. We are also equipping our teams and partners with the knowledge and tools to deliver low carbon parks through capacity building, solutioning playbooks, and a science-based approach to implementation. To strengthen our credibility, we are also actively aligning our internal reference model with global standards, including the IFC's Eco-Industrial Park certification, which is currently under development. And more importantly, we hope to actively contribute our insights from our on-the-ground experience to support and complement the development and eventual implementation of global frameworks. So this is how we intend to move from vision to execution by combining our strategy, systems, and partnerships to enable real impact. Let me share an example of how this is starting to take shape. In Vietnam, Lego is building its most sustainable factory to date, and this is located in VSIP Binh Duong, and a park that is co-developed by Sembcorp. Through a direct power purchase agreement, Lego's facilities will be powered by rooftop solar paired with a battery energy storage system to deliver round-the-clock clean energy. This DPPA represents Vietnam's first large-scale renewable energy solution tailored for industrial use. When fully commissioned, Lego will be able to run their operations on 100% renewable energy. To us, this is not just a factory, but it is a signal and a commitment that the future of manufacturing in Asia can be clean, competitive, and collaborative. Scaling low-carbon ecosystems is a shared responsibility. Manufacturers must commit to cleaner operations. Developers, like Sembcorp, must embed sustainability into every layer of our design. Governments must provide enabling policies and incentives, and financial institutions like ADB can play a pivotal role in de-risking some of these green infrastructure investments. Together, we are confident we can build ecosystems that drive growth responsibly, resiliently, and sustainably. Thank you.